Hi, Nirary. So Nirary is the co-founder and CEO of Refugee Talent, which is just an amazing and inspiring organization that helps connect refugees in Australia to employers. So today we're just going to ask him a few questions about his life, about his relationship and love of technology, and hopefully hear a few interesting stories. So Nirary, thanks so much for being with us here today and for agreeing to talk to us about your life and about your experiences. So I was wondering if you could start by telling us what were you like as a kid? Where did you grow up?
So I grew up back in Syria, and it's one of the third world countries where the technology is not advanced back in Syria. But since I was a kid, I was really interested to know how things is working. More about like when my dad or my family bring me any toy, I was more interested about how this thing is working, how the TV is working, how the audio is working. It's more yeah. I was more not just only playing with things, but I was more interested about how things is working. So really, I spent my childhood breaking things more than playing with them, just like breaking things and see what's inside it and how it's working. And those was really all my childhood till I finished year 9 when I first get in touch with something new in my life, which named like PC. It was something very new, but I was like year 9 when I first saw the first PC in my life, and I was very interested to know how this machine is working and how all these graphics and audios and applications working and solving all these mathematics or formulas and how Windows is running. So for me, just the question how it was the main thing in my mind, everything in my childhood.
Brilliant. No, that's amazing. And it sounds like a fantastic way to get interested about tech. And it must have been very sort of different moving from that environment in your home to coming here to Australia. So can I just ask, what's the one event that drew you to tech? Why do you think you're really passionate about technology?
Because I thought that like technology and computer, you can do everything. It's not just small game you can play it and that's it. It's you can really go far as much as you want using technology. You can build anything you want. You can do anything. You can reach anything in the planet now using technology. So what get me interested in the technology is I saw there is no boundaries. I can really go as much as I want and learn as much as I want and do things, and I still find myself still at the start. I can't reach the limit. So it was for me get my interest in technology because there is no boundaries. They can limit me in certain things to do. There is no boundaries, and that's exactly what I was like looking for. Something I can explore it more and more and more, and still have I haven't finished yet. So that's exactly what get me interested in the technology.
Definitely. And it's amazing to think all these years later, you're still got that passion for technology. And we love how, you said that, technology, it's always continuing. And it's just such an important thing to be interested in and to have skills in. So I was wondering if you could also tell us a little bit about sort of your career. So how did learning and knowing about technology help you? And what do you think is sort of the coolest thing that you've done in your job?
So when I learned about technology, I was able from early age, like in my high school, to do things to solve mathematics formula in my course. So I was like able to write small program to solve small mathematics problems, and then I realized that those small lines of code, it's really have great potential if we think about our life, how we can change and automate things in our life, and how we can make it faster than what used to be. That I get me more interested in technology. I learned technology from after the high school. I went to the Institute of Computer Engineering, and then from there, the first job in my life was as IT support, where I developed small projects to help customers to as a phone directory in my organization, and I did many automation thing for accounting and human resources, and they get me like go up in my career from IT support to software development, and then building things to really change people's life, having impact in their life.
Brilliant.
The coolest thing that I built is what I consider now my current project, which is like Refugee talent, and I can say it's the coolest thing because it really it's the biggest impact I could generate till now in the community, to have to change someone's life from unemployed to employed, and to reach everywhere in Australia, and to work with all those community organizations, and to be just sitting in my home. I can do everything what I want. I can change people's lives. I can help them to grow and to access employment.
Amazing. Yeah, I mean, you're essentially changing the world through technology, and you're really helping to make a lot of people's lives a lot better. And I think that's so inspiring, and just one of the many great reasons why technology is both important and super cool. So yeah, just to finish up, I'm just asking you, so what is your advice for the class here today? Why do you think they should get excited about technology? And yeah, what do you think's next in the future coming up for technology?
Yeah, I think that excited. Why they should be excited about technology, because it's our future really. Like everything is technology now embedded in everything, in every single aspect of our life. So if you want to learn how our lives working, we have to learn technology. If you want to do anything now, like we have to do it through online portals, so mobile apps. Internet of Things is getting bigger and bigger, and now it's essential part of our lives. So technology is really our future. So if you want to be up to date and belong to this future, you have to learn technology. If you want to belong to be part of the future, you have to learn technology. You have to learn to use it, and also if you are more interested, you have to learn how to develop things, how to improve things, because not everything we are currently used is the best, is the best way to do it. I think every one of us have great ideas and inspiring ideas, and they can in the future they can change how things is going, and they can change their lives and other people's lives. So I think technology is the future, and learning technology is something essential now. It's not something you can add it in your skills. It's something very essential, because if you want to be part of the future, you have to learn technology.
Brilliant. No, couldn't say it any better ourselves. So no, we'd like to thank you so much for taking your time today to speak to all of us here at the class. And no, we wish you luck, and we'll keep you updated about our technology journey. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.